What's up, guys? I'm Justin Voss. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I typically make things out of metal fabrication, welding, just try and make cool stuff here and take you guys along with me. If you're familiar with my channel, you've seen one of these videos before. This is another unboxing video, and it is actually from the same company. Precision Tube Laser was generous enough to send me one of their weldable kits. The last one I did was their nautical star. I made an unboxing video and then a whole video of welding up that project. I'll link it up here if you haven't seen that video yet. But this one is their Hypercube weldable kit. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. They did mention that they packaged this one much nicer than the last one. They said I was like one of their first customers on the nautical star. So it just was a bunch of pieces of tubing kind of thrown into a box. So we'll see. We'll see what this one looks like. All right, look at that. It looks like this box was sized exactly for this cube. Here's what it comes with. So it looks like it's 32 total pieces. It's actually all fit together though already, so just pull it out of here, I guess. Oh, clearly it's loose, so maybe I'll flip it over. The way these things fit together is incredible. I mean, I know it's laser cutting and it's precision, but every time I see it, they have a lot of cool videos on their Instagram too of them cutting stuff out like this and just how fast the machine works. I'm kind of feeling like if I touch this and lift this out, it's going to fall apart. I'll show you that this is not actually together. So you can see each piece is obviously laser cut to shape, but then they even cut these little grooves that fit with these other pieces, it looks like. So these tabs fit right in. Pretty neat. I think it'd be fun to draw one of these and draw it in 3D on a computer and have it all cut out and put that together. I think that would be neat too. So if you're interested in one of these kits from Precision Tube Laser, this is their Hypercube. It's under 200 bucks. I think it's like 160-ish, 70-ish, under 200 bucks. Pretty cool kit. I feel like there's some cool things you could do with this. Not just weld it together and be done with it. Like maybe make a table out of it, or maybe turn it up like a diamond and put a base on it, or maybe put something in here. Or like a clock face. I'm not really sure. I might think of something, but when it's done, I'm going to give this away as a giveaway. I don't know what the details are going to be. That's going to be in the next video when I actually weld this up. I'll make a whole video about that and doing whatever we decide to do, and if we do something special or not, or just weld it up as is. But either way, it's going to be a lot of material prep, lots and lots of welding. I can already tell I'm going to have to put a small back cap on my torch to get into these tight little areas. But yeah, the only thing I do know is you're going to have to follow me on Instagram. That's @DefiantMetal, and then the rest of the rules will be released at a later time if you want an opportunity to win this. If not, follow me anyway. That's where I keep everything up to date, what videos are coming out, behind the scenes, close-up photos of projects I've already worked on. The grinder stand pictures are on there. If you haven't seen that video, it's linked right here. I built a grinder stand last week. Just practiced some weave welding. Just one technique really on weave welding. Weave welding is new to me. I'm just learning, having fun. I hope you guys are too. It looks like total dimensions, if you're curious, it's just under 14-inch cube. And the inside is about 6.5 on the outside, and there's about a 3.5-inch 3.5 inch cube in the center here. So if you were gonna order one of these, that would kind of give you an idea of what you could possibly do with it to further it other than just welding it up. But that's all I have for this one. If this was something you were interested in ordering, now you kind of know how it comes, how it's packed. It gives you an example of what it should look like before. It's not just parts piled together, so you kind of have an idea before you take it apart and start prepping your pieces. You know, if you're not interested in watching me weld it, then this video is all you need. You can order one yourself. But, you know, I hope you do stick around and watch the next video where we will actually weld this thing up. And stick around for future videos. Subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.